morning everyone. Today is day 10 of the plank challenge and congratulations that you have made it so far. Don't quit now, okay? Today we are going to be holding the plank for 1 full minute. Okay, so let's get started. Now let's warm up. For warm up we'll be doing a different kind of stretch today, followed by the same regular stretches that we always do. So stand shoulder width apart. Now bend at your hips like this. Bend at your waist and bend your knees a bit. And while you do that, bring your hands from up to down. Now go up. We'll do this 5 times. Okay? Don't forget to bend from here and bend the knees. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now bring your right hand forward. Take it from the outside with your left hand. And now wrist rotations. 5 clockwise, 5 anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other hand. Clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now let's do some ins outs like this. 3. Okay. 3 in outs. So 1, 2, 3. Now shoulder rotations. 5 to the back, 5 to the forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. We have been warmed up. You should see the timer right there. It has been set for 1 minute 10 seconds. Get ready in 10 seconds and let's plank it in 1 minute. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Get ready, get in the right posture. Your wrist should be directly below your shoulders and your body should be completely straight. 1 minute has started. Come on, 30 more seconds to go. We've already come halfway. Don't quit now. You can do it. One minute complete. Go into the child's pose. Now I'd like to tell you this. If you feel too much pressure on your wrists, like there should be some pressure on your wrist because of the plank we're doing. And that is the reason why we do wrist rotations and all that wrist exercises in the warm up and cool down. But if it hurts too much, then it means your posture is wrong because most of your body weight is coming on your wrist, which should not be the case. Your body weight should be distributed equally among your wrists and your legs, and your core should provide the energy to balance the both. Okay, so if you feel there is too much pressure on your wrists, you must check your posture and correct it because it is wrong. Okay, now let's finally warm up. Raise your right hand above your head and do it like this and pull it back Other hand. Now, wrist rotations, 5 outside, 5 inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hold your left wrist with your right hand. Inhale and exhale. Once more. Inhale and exhale. Other wrist. Inhale and exhale. Once more. Inhale and exhale. Now finally some shoulder rotations. 5 back, 5 forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's it. We're done for today. See you tomorrow at 6 a.m. Stay tuned and thank you.